Hello.
Yo, what's up?
It's your boy Daniel Bowser and it's your boy Kian. Whatever.
Bro, it's Can Right, you dummy.
And today we're gonna be shooting my brother whenever he comes through that door. And I'm gonna say
walks through the door. Oh wait, that doesn't make sense.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna say, "What's up, brother?" and then shoot him. Okay.
Should I have the scope on? This scope kind of sucks.
It just kind of makes it awkward. I'm gonna go.
Got it.
I want to go check. Okay. Stay there. Stay there.
I'm gonna hold your shotgun.
You coming, Matthew?
Got it.
He's coming. He's coming. What's up, brother?
Yo, what's up, brother? Headshot.